Oh, out of greed for kingdom and pleasure, we are ready to kill our own kinsman. If unarmed and not resisting, I am killed here in this battle by the sons of Dhritarashtra, that would be far better for me. Saying this, Arjuna sat down in his chariot weeping. Until now, Arjuna had been speaking continuously without once pausing to ask, "This is how I feel. Is it right? What do you think, Krishna?" In the end, he did not say, "This is my problem. Please give me a solution." Though he seemed to conclude, "Killing my own people is wrong. This war is not right." He still did not leave the battlefield. Krishna, too, silently listening to him without interrupting, giving Arjuna the space to pour out his heart completely. Thus ends the first chapter. From Arjuna's words, we can understand the reasons behind his deep sorrow, the grief of having to kill his own relatives in battle, the feeling that fighting merely for kingdom, power, and wealth is not a noble or lofty purpose. His awareness that this is no small war, it will lead to immense destruction and terrible consequences. The thought that destroying social order and killing one's own kinsman out of greed for power is a great sin. Here we notice that Arjuna does not show any fear of defeat or death. He knows very well that the sons of Dhritarashtra are wicked, that they are unjust, and that they stand for adharma. But are these the only reasons for Arjuna's sorrow, or is there an even deeper cause? What do you think?